What's up, YouTube? This is Welding Machine. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today's video, what we're going to do is we got a customer project. It's repairing some handrails at a kid function or whatever. I don't know what the heck you call the place. I think they call it Dex something. It's like an extreme sports place where you can run up walls, jump in the rubber foam balls and stuff like that. It's pretty cool looking. I'm gonna take my younger brother up there. But anyways, that's besides the point. So right now we gotta set up the beam roller and the bandsaw so we can go ahead and cut some of this pipe that I had to buy for the customer. I'll set you guys right there. Alright y'all, so pretty much what we got to do now is cut a base plate for the handrail support is going to mount to, and it's going to put lag bolts into it to mount it to the floor because it's wood. So I'm going to show you guys the steps I'm going through as far as how I laid out the design for the base plate and things of that nature, so y'all stick with it. Alright, so we're going to bring you guys up close. Alright guys, so we're going to use a torch for this one. We could use the plasma, but I'm trying to get this done quick ASAP. Job depends on it. So right there, so what we did, you know, I didn't really have no rhyme or reason. I got 3 of them laid out. We made 3. We got some pipe here. Just laid the pipe down and traced it, and that's what we did. What's up everybody, it's the Welding Machine. In today's video, what we're going to do something unique and special. We cut these little slots out right here for the rail to sit inside. We got these little base plates I cut out of steel, and we're going to weld this to the plate. And this is going to be a handrail support for a job that I got to do in Raleigh tonight. There's 6, or around 6. So what we got to do is we're gonna get a square, tack it, and we're gonna start welding it out with the Harbor Freight inverter. I mean, any Harbor Freight stick welder, in my opinion, is good. But with this job also, that you guys got to remember, we got lag bolts because it's gonna be into a wooden deck. So I pre-drilled the holes and everything on my drill press. That'll be in the video, and then the lag bolts will go in like that. So y'all stay tuned and stay with me through the whole process, and you guys might learn something. Peace. Let me get my stuff and everything. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's what we want. I mean, that's somewhat straight. I mean, it looks even all the way around. So now that we got it level, we're gonna have to level it back out when we get to the field. Make sure everything is copacetic and straight, as square as possible. So we're gonna start off again. A little bit. Boom. Alright, so the side that needs to come back up would be this side. So we're gonna tack it on this side right here. 70-18. We're gonna check around, make sure. That one's done. Oh, next one, guys. Next one. That's not gonna lie, I had them for a while. That's what the welds look like. 3 of them done right now. Then we're gonna redo some fine adjustments on the tops, and stay tuned.
Guys, by the way. Look at that, guys. It's pretty dope. We're in the extreme place. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice out here, guys. Pretty nice. Zoom in a little bit. Got little raised obstacles over there.
We gotta clean the ground, we gotta connect one side to the other side. Line that up, bam. That's our ground.